bottom chamber and put water in the top. Water with no setting gas. Really. And a little funnel through that. Same thing with the lemon. Yeah. Really bright light. Yeah, so it's like the running.
Oh, I wonder. I thought it was a fire extinguisher.
Oh, that's the fire extinguisher. Yeah, you turn the valve on and the lenses and light the burner with that. Blame about that one.